This is my friend. My arkadaş in Turkish. He brought me and Alex tea. Turkish tea. We're gonna have a Turkish tea. Look at this colorful, beautiful table cover. There he is. Arkadaş. Turkish? Turkish? Semen?
Simit.
Simit. Simit. Simit. Pogaça.
Boça.
Pogaça.
Boça. Kıymalı pide. Karışık pide. Pide.
Pide.
Lahmacun. Pizza.
Aha.
Kola,
He's telling
ayran,
us.
yedi.
Kola and ayran. Teşekkür, tamam. Look at this beautiful, colorful flowers. Fantastic morning. And people are coming, buying the bread in the store. Early in the morning. There is a line of people already. People know the store. It's a small store, yet it's a very, very tasty store. So in Turkey, morning starts like this. You have a cup of great tea. You look at the beautiful nature. The sun is shining. You have your salmon. And 2 minutes away there is a Mediterranean Sea. You go take a swim or you go to work. This is a beautiful little place here which are making homemade bread, and people in the morning at 7 in the morning already buying the bread. Look at these kids, and the whole family is working, and there is a friend of mine. We just spoke to him, drinking tea, and he's helping the family. By the way, children do work in Turkey. Teşekkür. Şeker. Teşekkür. Children do work. It's not exploitation. It's just that American people, Turkish people, trying to make children to be accustomed to know the value of money. Okay, and they're just working a little bit, helping, watching around the business. Possibly will be running the business later on. So I think it's very healthy idea for American people to give such a wonderful upbringing that a child knows the value of money, the difficulty of work, and he's very well prepared to go into a real life. You know, like in the States, some kids making money for vacation by, let's say, washing cars or helping his mom and his dad. It's a young family owns a store, and we're going to show you today how to make the bread. Bread in Turkish is ekmek, and it's very, very tasty. Çok lezzetli. Very tasty in Turkish. Teşekkür ederim. Çok lezzetli. Çok lezzetli. Natural. Teşekkür ederim. Rus. Rus. Tamam. kids are really working, helping the family. Look at it. It's beautiful. Definitely the kids knows the value.
Çok teşekkür ederim. İyi günler. Oğlum oynama.
Amazing natural wood. It's not very heavy. It's not really. But it's a natural wood that they use in the stove, on a stove called Tinder.
Bunlar peynirli.
Aha.
Bunlar peynirli var. Kaşarlı var.
Kaşali. The gentleman is telling me the products. Kaşali. Çok lezzetli.
Çok lezzetli.
Everything is very tasty. And people are very communicative and
Temiz,
very kind.
Temiz. Bunu çekmişler. Bak burayı da çek. Madam.
Yes.
Bak. Bak.
Alfons ne yaptın?
Gentlemen beautiful party that they have here.
Seccade.
For Allah, pray.
Allah.
They pray. They
Allahu
pray for the
Ekber.
business, for the peace, for the family, for
Ha,
ethnic.
bak bu adamlar
Children.
ikisi de namaz kılıyorlar.
Okay.
Hadi. Baka baka. Baka.
Arkadaş, you like semin,
Temiz.
çeşitleri, ekmek.
Çok temiz.
Aha.
Çok temiz. Sıcak, taze, günlük.
Oh, okay. Lahmacun. Lahmacun, sorry. Lahmacun, not
Lahmacun
lahmacun.
yapılıyor.
Okay,
Burada lahmacun
okay,
yapılıyor. Güveç
okay.
yapılıyor. Güveç yapılıyor.
Güveç.
Ee,
He's telling us all the products that are in a place and that he likes
çörekler
it.
var, börekler var.
Börek and çok lezzetli.
Kaşarlı
Natural.
börekler var.
Natural.
Ee,
Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim my friend.
bunlar peynirli. Bunlar peynirli var. Kaşarlı var. Temiz.
Oh, here's my friends.
Peynirli.
Çok lezzetli. Ah, okay. Oh my arkadaş. Çok lezzetli. Çok lezzetli. Okay.
Ben yaptım.
Tamam. Okay. Tell me. Come. Tell me. So this young gentleman gonna tell us about the product. Okay.
Yağlı,
Yağlı,
kaşar,
kaşan,
peynir,
bendi,
açma,
açma,
simit,
sülü,
zeytinli.
zeytili. Oh, teşekkür ederim. Very tasteful, great products. Here is a star, our star. Jildis.
Bir saniye kalsın.
You're my Jildis, my star, video star. You see, the kid is great. Jildis means star in Turkish. They're fantastic, I'm telling you. They are just so communicative and fun. And they're helping parents. And they love it. Jildis. Teşekkür ederim. Ben, boys, ben, okay?
Bir dakika. Teşekkür ederim.